Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Walmart weekly consistence. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page we search about the application of Walmart and we click. Here we go to first stop and we click OK. Then we will enter to storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.